Hey there friends, I am super excited to introduce you to the amazing and huge array of products available now at Elle Studio during the month of October 2020. First, let's take a look at the monthly kit. Alright, I already love the colors in this monthly kit. Take a look at this deep teal color. That's brand new. This kind of muted yellow is really great too. This is one of the die cut sheets here. There's a second die cut sheet here. It's usually right there behind that first 4x6 tag. There's the second die cut sheet. These are absolutely packed full of labels, little tabs, embellishments, all sorts of little things that you can add to your pages. I love this star one here. So those are the two die cut sheets. Then we have a few 4x6s. So we have a wood grain this month, a notes from this week, and that nice stripe. And the rest are 3x4s. Let's take a look at these. Yes to this, stars. Oh, this is pretty. Love that deep red color. Take a look at that stripe. So many things to be thankful for. A beautiful kind of eggplant purple. Favorite. Focusing on. Oh, that's a fun grid. Look at that one. Oh wow, look at that. That's a great kind of little dotty print for Halloween. 1, 2, and 3. An orange stripe with stars. Highlights, big changes around here. Sure, we all have a lot of those. This labels tag, some leaves. I love that pattern. It's so great. And some hearts. So lots of beautiful fall looking colors on these tags. I'm really excited to show you the rest of the goodies that coordinate with this beautiful kit. We were just talking about beautiful fall colors, and take a look at these jewel journaling tags. So they have those beautiful jewel tone hues, those deeper saturated hues in teals, orange, gray, a green, yellow, a darker green, that maroon, and blue. So those are the jewel journaling tags. Next up, we have some extremely useful labels because they are all gray and black. So they will match with everything. And this is one big stack of labels, you guys. So you'll be set with these for a while. And they come in all different shapes and sizes, which I love. Since we're sticking with paper, check out the Jewel polka dot paper stack. I'm super excited about this one. I love polka dots, and we came out with a bright colors paper stack. And now we have the Jewel. So look at these beautiful hues here. Orange and purple and green, and there's that beautiful kind of mustardy color again, and that deep burgundy and black. So take a look at all of those gorgeous colors. So that's the Jewel polka dot paper stack. Okay, next up we have the Thankful Chipboard labels. So these are gray, black, and white, which I love because they go with everything. There are so many little things, and I love this font. Trick or treat, happy Halloween. Thankful for today, favorite TV show. So it's all sorts of different sayings that you can use on any type of project. So I love this. They're so super cute. And if you haven't seen me show you before, the Elle Studio chipboard is quite thin. Look at that. So you don't have to worry about it bulking up your projects. Those are the Thankful chipboard labels. Next up, we have some Acetate Stars, which I really love. I love the see-through quality of acetate because you can add it to your projects without too much bulk, and you can layer it. So look at those awesome colors. So just like, you know, the polka dot paper stack and all the beautiful colors in the kit, these really go with all of those colors so perfectly. How great are those? And you get a ton in your pack. Then we have Tiny Shapes and Dots puffy stickers in the same type of colors that you can find throughout the whole kit. Perfect. I love how itty bitty those are. Next up, we have acrylic leaves, and you can see them all here. There's pretty purple ones, there's coral, there's the dark red, regular red, and greens. Then we have autumn wood veneers. So this says Autumn Moments Documented. There's a pumpkin, there's some leaves, there's a few little labels that say Together, Pumpkins, Crisp, Cool Air, and Family Time. Okay, let's get into the stamps. This month's stamp is called Collected, and there are some great circles, tickets inside, receipt inside. How cool is that? So that you can, you know, put things together. And I'm going to show you something really cool, but you'll see how these work. But I love the font here. Again, keepsake, saving this forever, a very special souvenir. So if you like to keep bits of ephemera from your travels, from your trips, this is an awesome set to have. It's called Collected. I'll come back to that in a minute. Next up, we have a new Jane in the house. It's the medium Jane now. So we have the outline and the solid in the medium Jane. And you have everything you need on these sets, the numbers, the punctuation. I couldn't even remember the word there. So you have everything you need on these 6x8 stamp sets. Okay, let's get back to the collected stamp because, oh, I forgot one. I can't believe this. Documented stamp. Check this one out. So there's all sorts of little phrases and words that you can add here, or you can stamp in solid and add on top. They have these great fonts that I just love. So that's documented. Okay, I got too excited there. Let's go back to collected. So we have 3 new dies. We have this die that's like the Collected Everyday Tabs Volume 2. We're calling it metal die. So that goes right along with the collected stamp. You can see those there. Then we have, this is so exciting, the Pocket and Frame Flip Up die and the Pocket and Frame Flip Up die add-on frames. So you have a little, you know, pinked frame. What is this called? This is like a scallop, sorry, a scalloped frame and a stitched edge frame, and then this one with the edges here. So I'm going to show you in a separate video all of the amazing things you can do with this die with your pockets. It creates a frame for your pockets, so go back if you want to find out more about this one. Go back to my video feed and find this video because it's going live at the same time. But you can use this to use these little circles here to put things in too. So that's why I wanted to keep this out to show you. So there's lots of things that go together this month, but super duper excited about the possibilities with these guys. And be sure to check out the video where I'm showing you all of the amazing things that you can do with them. Thanks so much for watching me unbox all of these amazing October 2020 goodies from Elle Studio. There are so many new products this month, you guys. I think you're going to be super amazed by all of them. There's an amazing kit that helps you to record your fall memories, and there are so many add-ons for you to, you know, help you create those projects, your scrapbook layouts, your pocket pages, your traveler's notebooks super easily because everything is coordinated. Happy creating using your Elle Studio October 2020 kit and add-ons.